Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the bank nifty target and what is the nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end.
So let's jump into the market today, that is of 27th April 2021. Nifty 50 has gained 168 points, which is of 1.16%, and has ended at 14653 points. Nifty Bank has gained 460 points, which is of 1.43%, and has ended at 32735 points. Nifty Next 50 has gained 267 points, Nifty Midcap has gained 94 points, and Nifty Financial Services has gained 152 points, which is a 0.99%, and has ended at 15589 points. So if you see the advances and declines under the Nifty 50 for today, there are 41 advances and 8 declines under the Nifty 50 for today. Let us see who are the top 5 gainers and losers under Nifty 50. Top 5 gainers for the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 27th April 2021, are Hindalco has gained 5.07%, Tata Steel has gained 4.38%, LT has gained 3.60%, Divis Lab has gained 3.58%, Bajaj Finance has gained 3.16%. If you see the top 5 losses under the Nifty 50 for today are HDFC Life has lost 3.58%, SBI Life has lost 1.64%, Maruti has lost 1.31%, NTPC has lost 0.54%, and Nestle India has lost 0.47%. These are the top 5 gainers and losses under Nifty 50 for today, that is of 27th April 2021. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade. So yesterday, that is of 26th April 2021, Nifty 50 was closed at 14,489 points, and today it was opened at Nifty 50 was opened at 14,493, and I have given the buy call at 14,515. So from 14,515 it has gone up to 14,666 points. Yeah, almost 150 points has gained today under the Nifty 50 for today. Hope you guys book your profit at least 50 points, 30 points, 60 points, 70 points based on your this analysis and risk assessment on your trading account. Yeah, if you have booked the profit, I request you to please mention the same in the comment section so that other people will also get benefit. They will also get the confidence on the views which was given by me in the video, so that they can able to take the views confidently on my videos. Yeah, thank you, thanks for understanding. So now let me share the Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today Nifty 50 was closed at 14,651 points. So our buy call will be activated for tomorrow. So our buy call will be activated for the Nifty prediction for tomorrow. Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our buy call will be activated at 14,700 for the Nifty target of 14,720, 14,735 for the Nifty target of 14,752, 14,768, 14,799, 14,832, 14,848, 14,867, 14,898, 14,925, 14,961, 15002, 15035, 15100, 15125, 15163, and a final Nifty target of 15194. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow for the uptrend of the Nifty 50. Here you must be very careful here at 14730. There may be chance of getting reversal from here, because at first this gap has to be filled. I feel there may be some sideways will happen, and if it opens around this, it becomes as a double top, and there may be chance of getting reversal from here also, which is of 14700. So 14700 to 14735, you must be very careful. 740, you must be very careful. Once it crosses, it can go up to 14880. Yeah, once it breaches, it can go up to 15250, 15150. Yeah, hope you guys noted on the levels. And so now let me share the Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow for the downtrend of the Nifty 50. So our sell call will be activated for the Nifty prediction for tomorrow with Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our sell call will be activated at 14615 for the Nifty target of 14595, 14572, 14540, 14520, 14488, 14470, 14438, 14425, 14405, 14382, 14357, 14357, 14336, 14325, 14289, 14272, 14240, 14222, 14198, 14172, 14159, 14143, 14124, 14090, 14060, and the final Nifty target of 14020. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow, and here there may be a chance of getting reversal from here from 14573, and once it breaches, it can go up to 14539. Once it breaches, it can go up to 14488. Once it breaches, it can go up to 14350. Once 14488 breaches, if Nifty 50 stays below this level, it can go up to 14350. Yeah, hope you guys noted on the levels. If you have not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down the levels and be stick to the levels which was given in the video, and don't be hurried to take the trade. Be patient. The Nifty 50 will come under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis purely based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, why I have given this much of levels, I can also give from here to here. This is a target. Once it reaches 14740, the next target is 14870. I can also share those targets, but to be more accurate, I'm giving the pin to pin targets. You can take the trade and you can exit the trade at any pin of the target. Okay, that's why I'm giving the small targets, and based on your risk appetite, you can trail your SL and wait for the final target. Otherwise, you can exit with 30 points, 40 points, 50 points as per your risk analysis. Okay, so now let me share the Nifty options for tomorrow. So once Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14700, you can buy the strike price of 14700 CE, and once the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14615, you can buy the strike price of 14650 PE. Okay, so our Nifty options for tomorrow would be 14650 PE and 14700 CE. These are the Nifty options for tomorrow. Okay, hope you guys noted on the levels. If you have any confusion, I request you to please mention in the comments so that I will try to reply to every comment as soon as possible. Yeah, if you have got confused, replay this video and watch the levels, note on the levels, and be stick to the levels. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.
If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe button to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding.